file maternity claim and how much you will get in your maternity benefit. First, log into your membership account, then submit maternity notification under e-services. You may click on that. After that, you will get this window, expected date of delivery. Make sure that you have your ultrasound with you. And then, ta-da! You will get this notification that you have successfully registered or notify SSS. And then you will get a backup email saying that your maternity submission is confirmed. And then to check that if it is really accepted by SSS, just click on inquiry. And then click on maternity or sickness. And you will get this, that SSS already accepted. And to check on how much you will get on your maternity claim, just click on inquiry and eligibility. After that, you will get this window and click on maternity. After clicking maternity, you will get this window saying confinement start, delivery date. Just fill out the form or the blanks and using your ultrasound, and you will get this. As you can see, I'm eligible and I have 33 contributions and I will get 70,000. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!